Let's talk about how your projects and activities connect. What constitutes a project? In a stakeholder engagement perspective, a project means the life cycle of a development whose construction and development impacts the surrounding community. Activities, on the other hand, are the engagement, consultation, and communication with the stakeholders by the field personnel. A stakeholder can be impacted by multiple different projects simultaneously. It is therefore important to remember that all of the data from the engagement may also need to be recorded differently to reflect the different projects they were involved with. Each project sometimes has different ways for data to be tracked. This is usually because different regulators have regulatory requirements, or there are maybe some internal requirements that your organization has that are specific to different projects. It is important to remember that stakeholders want to talk about all the projects that impact them simultaneously. That is why the data must be recorded at once. Let's do an example and see how software like Iris can help tackle these situations where you engage with the same stakeholder about multiple projects simultaneously. Say you have two projects, Project X and Y, which both impact Farmer Dwight's land. Your team then needs to make an engagement effort with Dwight and record this information. If your team uses a traditional database structure to record this information, the following issues would occur. Here is a traditional database structure. As you can see, there are two projects where we engaged Farmer Dwight with. Can you see the problems with this structure? There are two main structural challenges. First, we only talked to Farmer Dwight once, but we have to record that we have spoken to him twice because it is under two different project file folders. For starters, it takes us twice as much time. Second, the data is recorded inaccurately because according to this database structure, the team talked to a stakeholder two times about two projects. This is incorrect. In real life, we spoke to the stakeholder one time about two different projects. Iris is designed to reflect this on-the-ground reality. Starting at the activity level, multiple different projects can simultaneously connect to one or multiple activities. The result being that we can accurately track our conversation with Farmer Dwight, thereby minimizing project risks and saving times around our tracking work.